everyone, this is Jiayin's video recap for October 18th. First, we used iPad to prepare our grammar test, and then we reviewed ViewSat Chapter 9. Okay, here are the details. Hayward taught us what was Starfy when we got iPad. Starfy tells story with social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and so on. Ho, Stacy, Alex, and me were in one group, and our topic was passive voice tense. First, we discussed this voice tense and then assigned our tasks. I need to find a video about passive voice tense and explain why I chose this video. Okay, and now I want to share what I learned from this video. What is a passive voice tense? The passive voice is a way of forming sentences so that focus on the person or thing receiving the action. This is in contrast to active sentences, which focus on the person or thing performing the action. Here are examples. Active sentence. A Russian artist gave me an original painting. Passive sentence. An original painting was given to me by a Russian artist. Those sentences have the basic information, but they have a different subjects. That because they focus on different things. How is the passive voice formed? We use be plus past participle. In a passive sentence, we can still name the person or thing that performs the action. We use a by phrase, and it comes at the end of the sentence. For example, the painting was given to me by a student. Hope you've already understood passive voice tense. If you not understand, don't worry. You will learn more this verb tense on next Tuesday. The second part we reviewed ViewSat Chapter 9. Rule number 1. Following intonation when we are sure. For example, I was accepted at York University. I started in June. Rule number 2. Reason when we are not sure, or surprised, or seek confirmation. For example, I have some good news. You were accepted at York? I start in June. Rule number 3. Reason for clarification. For example, the number is 555-9435. 555-9435? Right, 9435. Rule number 4. Reason for yes or no question. For example, is Jim available? Rule number 5. Following for WH question and reason for repetition. For example, I'm going to the Middle East. Oh, where are you going? To Dubai. Rule number 6. Reason to check background information. For example, you know the McDonald's on 2nd Street? Well, my apartment's directly across the street. Rule number 7. There are choices. The first alternative has rising, and the second has falling. For example, is the exam today or tomorrow? Here are our homeworks. The first one is to read Dream Deferred on ViewSat page 133. And we should go to the YouTube first and find the same poem. And listen to it and get ideas. Then record it and upload it to our blog before Sunday morning. The second one is to finish our Starfy. The Starfy page should include those things. 1. At least one YouTube video explanation the verb tense. 2. A written explanation of why the video was chosen. 3. At least one web page explaining the verb tense. 4. A written explanation of why the web page was chosen. 5. At least one image connected to the verb tense. 6. A written explanation of why the image was chosen. 7. Examples of the verb tense. And also, there are some additional things to include in page. 1. Exercise to help practice the verb tense. 2. Twitter posts connected to the verb tense. 3. Facebook posts connected to the verb tense. And we have a small presentation on next Tuesday. So good luck on your presentation and have a good weekend and see you soon. Bye.